Wassup YouTube. Today I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk about my fast. So I went on a 3-day fast. It was a dry fast with no food, no water, also called an Esther fast. So I'm gonna tell you guys basically what happened. So basically my testimony, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what I fasted for and the benefits and why you guys should also maybe try a fast for yourself to see if it helps you out with your journey getting closer to God. So I want to say it was maybe a few weeks ago, or actually, yeah, like 2 weeks ago. I was, trying to get closer to God. I was trying my hardest to get closer to God. I was reading my word. I was, studying verses and, just basically praying and trying to get closer to God. And then something was something came upon my heart, and it was like, I should fast. And I was like, for how long? And I really just got this feeling like 3-day fast. So I was like, you know what? I'm about to do me a 3-day fast right quick. And then while I was doing the fast, I want to say before the fast even started, right? I was supposed to do it on a Monday. So then I was going to end on Wednesday, and then, I could eat on Thursday, right? So what happened was I had went Monday to start the fast, and it was going good, but I was getting tempted, and I actually ate something, and I was like, dang, I kind of broke my fast, so I kind of messed up the plan. And I was like, dang. So I started praying. I asked God for forgiveness, and I was like, man, I just got to make it up to God. I got to do it again. But the thing is, when you're trying to do something for God, it's not like you have to make it up to God for him to forgive you. It's more like you just ask for forgiveness, and he will forgive you. He'll be just to forgive you. But I still just had this feeling like, you know what? I still gotta make my word. I still gotta do this fast. And what happened was, it was actually just a regular fast, just like a water fast, like a 3-day water fast. But then I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna do a 3-day fast, no water, no food, right? And I was looking it up online, and it was like a human can't last 3 days without food. I mean, not food, but 3 days without water. And I was just like, dang, 3 days without water. But I was like, I wasn't even tripping for real, because I was like, I know God got me and all this stuff. So I was going through, the days, and it was, I want to say, because my fast ended Friday, technically, Friday morning. So it was about Thursday. And Thursday, I was having to move, because I moved to a new apartment recently, actually. So what happened was, when I did this fast, I was like trying to carry this heavy box, and it was like, man, I'm weak. Like, I haven't eaten or drinking any water in a few days. So it's like, oh man, I'm actually kind of weak. Like, I can't really lift this box. Like, it's not like I'm physically weak, but like I was feeling like drained of my energy. Like, I didn't really have any strength like that, is what I'm trying to say. And I was just thinking like, oh man, how I'm gonna move these boxes, how I'm gonna do this so I can get to this apartment, get my stuff at this apartment. And I was just overthinking, and I was just being like, oh man, just doubt and worry. Like I said in my last video, if you guys see my last video, I'm gonna link it up here. But anyways, with my last video, I was talking about the mindset, right? If you have the devil, trying to get you to think like you can't do this because, you might not be strong enough, or you might not be, whatever he might say to you, right? I was just thinking to myself, like, which one am I doing? Like, am I serving God with my thoughts, or am I serving the devil with my thoughts? And I was serving the devil with my thoughts, and I realized it. And so what I did was, I was like, you know what? I'm not even finna trip. I'm just finna lift this box, and we finna go ahead and just go. And I had to go down the stairs, bro. I'm telling you, I had to go down the stairs. It was crazy, bro. It was a big box, bro. I had my little bed frame back there. Everything was in there, and I was just like, man, I don't know how I'm finna do it, but I know God finna help me with this box. And I went down the stairs all the way through the whole apartment complex. Because I'm telling you, bro, it's like apartment complex, you have to go all the way around and walk to the car. And I did it. And I ain't dropped the box not one time. And I'm telling you, I wasn't eating no food for 3 days or no water for 3 days. So why am I telling you this story? Why is this story important to you? Right? Because God is amazing, bro. God is strong, and he will give you his strength, bro. No cap, bro. I could not lift that box with my own strength. Like, the box is not like super heavy or nothing, but like if you haven't eaten in 3 days and drinking no water in 3 days, bro, you gonna have some trouble lifting you know, I don't know how many pounds that box was, but it had a whole bed frame and all that stuff in it. So, I had some weight to it. And I started really thinking like, man, not only could I not only should I, I'm gonna say, not only should I not be able to carry this box because I haven't, I don't have no nourishment or nothing like that. Not only that, I should be dead, like, or like on the brink of death, bruh. Cause think about it, like literally if it says, cause I looked it up on Google and everything, and I guess I'll see if I can leave like a little screenshot right here or something. And it says like 3 days without water, like that's how somebody can die, like 3 days without water. And I'm out here carrying big boxes, bro, literally big boxes, carrying these big boxes. Like, first off, I'm not even supposed to be alive, or I'm not even supposed to be really having strength like that to do anything, not even to get out of bed for real. And that nourishment, like I'm not even alive, like with that fast, because what I used to do is like I would used to fast like I would fast for like 2 days at a time, then I'll fast for 3 days at a time, then I'll fast for 2 days at a, like I rarely did 1 day fast, because I'm not really that type of person to just only to fast for 1 day, because I don't know, I feel like I kind of been training my body to allow certain like days and periods of time where I don't need to eat. But bro, like I just think that's crazy to me how God can really use his strength through you to carry you through any situation that you're in, right? So man, I just came here to give you a quick testimony, give you guys a quick testimony how I survived a 3-day dry fast, no food, no water. Esther fast, really, because dry fast, just no water, but eat food, I guess. But it wasn't even nothing like that. I don't know, because while I was doing the fast, like I was saying earlier, while I was doing the fast, it wasn't nothing like, for me, it wasn't nothing like too crazy, but I definitely was like I was feeling weak, bro. Like I was feeling it. And God gave me the strength, man. And literally I was so tempted, bro, on that Wednesday, because I had Thursday, I was moving the box. So Wednesday, the day before, I was so tempted, bro. I'm telling you, every food was just like, I was looking at the food in my house, and it was just like, bro, that food looks so good, bro. No cap, bro. Like, normally I'll be like, yeah, it's food, whatever. I'll eat it, whatever. But I'm telling you, food never looked so good in my life. And it's just average. Like, it was a burger, bro. And it was, it was some donuts or whatever. And I was just looking at like, bro, like, man, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But, to God be the glory, you know what I'm saying? I'm here, I'm still alive, I'm still strong, I'm still pushing, you know what I'm saying? I'm still recording YouTube videos, I'm still trying to encourage you guys to do the same. And if you never tried to fast before, I recommend a fast, because after that fast, I feel like my relationship with God grew exponentially, like because of how much I had to trust him to let me do that fast. Like, if I had no trust in God, bro, I would not have done no fast, bro. I would have just ate food when I was hungry. But I trusted that he would keep me alive. He'll keep me nourished with his strength. You know what I'm saying? I might not have no strength in my body, but he gave me the strength to get up and move them boxes, bro, and make it to the next morning. So hopefully this encouraged you guys. Hopefully you guys at least try and do at least a 1 day fast. If you can't do a 1 day fast, do a 6 hour fast. You wake up at what, like 6, you don't eat until 6 or something like that, or you wake up at 7, you don't eat until 7, you know, however that goes, like that. 6 to 6 fast, not a 6 hour fast, that's my fault. You know, a 12 hour fast is what I mean. And if you can't do that, then a 6 hour fast. Or if you can't do that, then try and skip a meal, like skip breakfast or skip lunch or skip dinner. Or, you know, just start off small. Like, you don't have to do some bizarre, like, 12-day fast or 7-day fast, or, you know, whatever. Just do whatever feels comfortable to you guys. And have a purpose behind it. If you have a purpose, it actually helps a lot. Because if my purpose was to get closer to God, and it really helped because I really had to trust him. So yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say with this video. You guys, I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. And if you made it this far, say that God is good. Put that in the comments. Put God is good in the comments if you have made it this far. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.